Ever wondered where your sent follow requests on Instagram are? Let's uncover that mystery today. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile by tapping the icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap on following where you'll see two options, following and followers. Now, select following to see the list of accounts you follow and the follow requests you've sent. Look for the option to view sent requests near the top of the screen. Click on it to see your pending requests. And there you have it. A simple way to track your sent follow requests on Instagram. If you want to cancel any sent requests, simply click requested next to the user's name to undo it. You can also customize your follow requests by checking who you want to send requests to. Remember, managing your requests keeps your Instagram feed fresh and relevant. Regularly check your sent requests to avoid clutter and ensure you're connecting with the right people. Now you're ready to optimize your Instagram experience. Happy connecting! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips.